Welcome to my maths class, IIT Foundation for 6th class students. Concept application. If P is a 3-digit number and Q is the number formed by reversing the digits of P, find the difference between the place value of the digits in the tens place. P is a 3-digit number. So let P is equal to some X, Y, Z, where X, Y and Z are the digits. Then Q is the number formed by reversing its digits. So as P is equal to X, Y, Z, reversing the digits, it will be Z, Y, X. Then find the difference between the place value of the digits in the tens place. Place value of the digits in the tens place of P is 10Y. And the place value of the digit in the number Q is 10Y. Therefore, difference between these two is 0. So, option C is correct. So, second problem, number of eggs brought by the shopkeeper is 12 dozens. Out of them, 2 dozen were sold and 9 eggs were damaged. After removing the damaged eggs, 8 eggs are replaced. Find the remaining number of eggs with the shopkeeper. So, number of eggs brought by the shopkeeper 12 dozens, out of which 2 dozens were sold. Therefore, if we subtract the sold eggs, the remaining are 10 dozens. 10 dozens. And 9 eggs were damaged. So, out of this 9 eggs were damaged. 10 dozens means 10 into 12, that is equal to 120. Out of this 120, 9 were damaged. Therefore, if we delete this 9 also, 120 minus 9 is equal to 111 eggs remained. After that 9 eggs were damaged, after removing the damaged, 8 eggs are replaced, that is 8 eggs are added. Therefore, next the number of eggs with the shopkeeper is equal to 111 plus 8. 111 plus 8 were replaced, 8 were added to the eggs. Therefore, 111 plus 8 is equal to 109. Therefore, the remaining number of eggs with the shopkeeper is 119. So, option 2 is correct. 119 eggs remained with the shopkeeper. Next problem. If A, B, C and D represents into division divided by plus and minus respectively, find the value of 90B, 3A, 5D, 3C, 9. So, 4 options were given. This is, we will substitute the values, the signs for the letters in this expression. So, this is 90B. B stands for division because A, B, C and D represent into, divided by, plus and minus respectively. So, A represents into, B represents divided by, C represents plus, D represents minus. Therefore, 90 divided by 3, A represents into, 5D minus 3C plus 9. So, substituting the signs for A, B, C and D, we got this. So, according to BODMAS rule, we have to do the division first. No brackets and no off in this expression. Therefore, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So, we have to do the division first. 90 divided by 3 is 30 into 5 minus 3 plus 9. Next, after division, multiplication, 30 into 5. 5 3 is 15, so 150 minus 3 plus 9. Next, addition, 150 plus addition, 159 minus 3. So, this is equal to 156. Therefore, The value of this expression is 156. That is option C is correct. So next problem. The cost of a pen is the largest two-digit number in rupees. The cost of a textbook and geometry box respectively are the successor and predecessor of the cost of the pen. Find the sum of the costs of the textbook and geometry box in rupees. So the cost of a pen is the largest two-digit number. So the cost of the pen is equal to largest two-digit number, 99 rupees cost of a pen. The cost of a textbook and geometry box respectively are the successor and predecessor. So the cost of a textbook is the successor of the cost of the pen. So successor of 99 means 99 plus 1. Therefore the cost of a book is 100 rupees. And the cost of the book is 100 rupees, and the geometry box is the predecessor of the cost of the pen. Predecessor means one less before. So the cost of the geometry box is equal to predecessor of the cost of the pen, that is 99 minus 1, 98. Therefore the sum of the cost of the textbook and geometry box, so the sum of these two is 100 plus 98, 198 rupees. So 198 rupees, B, option B is correct. So next problem, fifth one. P is neither positive nor negative. Q is equal to minus of modulus of minus 9. And R is the absolute value of minus 13. Which of the following is the value of P plus Q plus? P is neither positive nor negative. So P is equal to 0. Then digit which is neither positive nor negative is 0. And Q is minus modulus of minus. That means modulus of minus 9 is 9. Therefore Q is equal to minus modulus of minus 9 is equal to minus modulus of minus 9 is 9. Therefore Q is equal to minus 9. And R is equal to absolute value of minus 13. So absolute value of minus 13 is 13. Therefore P plus Q plus R is equal to 0. P is 0 and Q is minus 9 and R is 13. So that is equal to 0 plus or minus 9, 0 minus 9 plus 13. That is 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. So the value of P plus Q plus R is equal to 4. That is option C is correct.